Greetings friends to my channel, Weller is with you. Today I'm going to show you how to create a survey using Google Forms. Go to any browser, click here, yes, Google, or you can just write Forms and accordingly go to the first tab of Google Forms. That's it. Well, here we are interested in the creation of the questionnaire itself. There are some presets here that you can use if you already understand what you roughly need. Well, I'll take the blank one, as it's the easiest to explain. That's it. Here is the title of our question. That is, for example, I will just write yes and write here a description of what this questionnaire will give. Well, or a description of the questionnaire itself. So, accordingly, we introduce questions here. For example, how old are you? Enter here the answer options, 18, 25, 25, 40, there and there, for example, 40, 65, and 65 plus, for example, yes. And accordingly, here we choose how you want to receive an answer. There can be several answers. Well, this particular question involves only one answer, so it will be checkboxes. That's it. And here it is mandatory. Well, you can choose the obligatory nature of this issue. That is, if you put this tick in enabled, then this question will become mandatory. That's it. Well, then click add question, and thus, accordingly, make a questionnaire. That's it. Next, I click on the preview, and accordingly, well, we can see this, see how it works. That's it. Here you can also click on the palette. That's it. And here you can add here respectively a photo. That's it. Also choose the text, or rather what font it will be. Next, to share this questionnaire, yes, there will be answers here. By the way, here are your questions. If someone passes, friend, this questionnaire, that's it. And accordingly, here you can click that. As soon as you click on the answer, the correct answer will immediately appear, or feedback. You can turn it on as it is convenient for you. That's it. Well, then click the publish button. Either you can share it with specific people by entering their email address here, or just access it here. That's all. Weller was with you. Bye everyone.